Good morning. I'm Thomas Buchanan. I'm on a water fast. I'm back. Uh, Very rarely do I take vacations, and this wasn't actually a vacation. I have been gone not one, not two, not three, but 4 weeks helping out two relatives, one in West Virginia, one in South Carolina. And that's the really good news. The really bad news is nobody had scales. The hotels I stayed at, motels, had no scales in the rooms, so I had no idea what I weighed. So I came home, stepped on the scale, and I said if I was 220.0 or below, I would continue my water fast. If I was even 220.1, I would start a new water fast. Because there again, I worked outside. I consumed large quantities of water again. So came home, stepped on the scale this morning, 218.6. So I'm going to forge ahead. This is week 7, day 1 of my water fast. It's nice to see I'm below 220, at 215 dot, I don't know, 6 or 8. I told you I would probably retest 220 or maybe even 225. I smashed through 220 and actually touched 223.9 before I dropped back down. So I'm below 220 and 218 feels good. 215 will feel a lot better. Um, I'm going to make one change. By the way, let me say people accuse me in my channel of being very boring. Yes, I do say the same things over and over because I need to hear it and you need to hear it, and you don't need it changing every week what I say. Okay? I'm going to make one major change to whether you're water fasting or whether you are on maintenance. You've lost the weight and you're maintaining your weight. This applies to both groups of people. So listen up. If you're hearing my voice, this applies to you. My program has always been for the first 7 calendar days, you get no food, no coffee, no tea, no water, no nothing. Starting on the 8th calendar day, you get not one, not two, but three 8 to 12 ounce glasses of water a day. Okay, that's starting on calendar day 8. That's the way it's always been, and you get nothing else. I'm going to modify that. Beginning today, week 7, day 1, if you are on maintenance, if you are starting a water fast or on a water fast, this applies to you. If you are starting a water fast for the first 7 calendar days, you get no food, no coffee, no tea, no water. On the 8th calendar day, for you people water fasting, you get your three 8 to 12 ounce glasses of water a day. I don't care when you drink them, but beginning today, 2 hours before you go to bed, 2 hours before you go to bed, I want you to drink one 14-ounce glass of water and consume it. 1 hour before you go to bed, I want you to drink one 14-ounce glass of water a day. So 2 hours and 1 hour before you go to bed, I want you to consume two glasses of 14, two glasses that are 14-ounce glasses of water. I want you to consume those each night from here forward. Now, the rule still stands for the first 7 calendar days. You get no water, no food, no coffee, no tea, no liquids of any kind. Okay? For you folks on maintenance, you are allowed real food. Obviously, watch your quantities and type of food you're eating. But I want you also, 2 hours before you go to bed, I want you to consume one 14-ounce glass of water. And then one hour before you go to bed, I want you to consume another one 14-ounce glass of water. That is the first major change I have made to my program in 7 years, 7+ years. So good luck with that. That's my update. I'm back. I'm below 220, thank God. And folks, this works. You don't have to be a genius. Even if you're a beginner, try water fasting. I challenge you to just try it for 4 weeks and write down your weight at the same time each morning on a sheet of paper. You will be very impressed with the results. That's all I've got for today. Quick update. Stay healthy, stay happy, and remember, 2 hours before you go to bed and 1 hour before you go to bed, I want you to consume one 14-ounce glass of water. 2 hours before you go to bed, and in addition, I want you to consume one 14-ounce glass of water 1 hour before you go to bed. And again, that applies for you folks on water fasting. If you're on day 8 or day 9 or day 10, until you reach your goal weight, that applies for you folks on maintenance. Whether you're eating real food, regardless of the type of food, watch your quantities, but make sure that you consume those 2 glasses of water right before you go to bed. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you tomorrow, good Lord willing.